Welcome to seotoole.com. Today I'll show you how to generate privacy policy using Privacy Policy Generator. Visit the seotoole.com. Scroll down and click Privacy Policy Generator. Then enter your company name. Then enter your website name. Then enter your website URL. Then click Continue to Next Step. Additional information: do you show advertising through Google AdSense on your website? Do you show advertising from third parties? Do you use cookies on your website? Then click Generate. Wow! See the seotoole Privacy Policy Generator magic. Thanks for watching.